Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming in My Way. Today in this session we are going to see how to change package name of your Android application. There are situations in which you need to change the package name of your Android application because at initially when you create the project you are selecting the default package as it is, but after some time you found that that is not appropriate one, or you need to change that package name. Then how to change that package name in Android Studio, that we are going to cover in this video. So I'm creating a new project. I'm selecting the empty activity, click on next, then I'm giving name as demo app and I'm keeping the default package and click on finish. So this will create the demo app application with default package. Later we'll change the package name. So let us first build the Gradle, and once it is ready then we'll see how to change the package name of your Android application. So see, Gradle is building. Now we'll first run this application also on our device before changing the package name. This package concept is very important because whenever we are deploying our Android application on Google Play Store, the Google Play Store is checking this package name, or Google Play Store is checking your Android application with the help of this package name, and this package name should be unique, or your application is uniquely identified with the help of this package. So if there is a conflict, if the same package is available or same application is available with same package, then your application will be rejected. That's why you should give the unique package name for your Android application. So that's why there is a need to change the package name after your project. So we'll see that. So see, the application is created successfully. Now we'll run this application. This is simple Hello World application. So I have taken. So first we'll see the output of this application. Okay, so run this application on device. So see, the right now package is edu.writeindia.ravindra.demo app. So this is the current package name. See, the application is installing on my phone. After this you'll get the launching activity. Here it is installing. After that the activity will be launched on this device. So here this is simple application on which we have only one text view, that is Hello World text view on activity, empty activity. See, activities launched. So this is the simple output of this application. Now what we'll do, we are going to change the package. So see, to change the package, what you need to do, you need to go to manifest file. Okay, you need to go to manifest file. Now you can see the package name of your Android application is this one, edu.writeindia.ravindra.demo app. Okay, so this is the package of your current application, or current package of your application. So you need to change this. You need to change this package name. So the first step towards changing the package name is you need to visit the Gradle file and see, here you need to change the package name. Here you need to change the package name. So see, instead of see, edu will be folder, RIT India will be folder, and the Ravindra will be folder, and this demo app is the application name. Okay, so this is the main folder, then this is subfolder, and then again it is subfolder, and this is the application name. So what I'm going to do, you can't change this one application name here right now. So what I will do, I will give the package name like this, com dot then technology, and then I'm giving first. So see, I have changed the package like this, com. So com will be the first folder, then subfolder will be technology, then subfolder of technology will be first, and then the application name. And now sync this. So do the syncing. Now syncing is successful. Now here, now you need to go. See, whenever you click on this package name, now you need to change this package name from this. So just instead of this edu, what we want, com. So right click on this edu and just click on refactor, rename, then rename package, and instead of this edu you need to give com, and just click on refactor. Now here you'll get one option, that is these are the changes this step is going to do. So click on do refactor. Now see, the package name is changed, that is instead of that edu, com is appeared. Now you need to change the second. Instead of this RIT India, you want technology. So right click on this, then refactor, rename package, and then here you want technology. So type that, click on refactor, do the same thing, do refactor. Instead of RIT India, you want see, now you can change, instead of this RIT India, you got technology here. So just change this. Sorry, here technology is appeared there. Next, instead of this Ravindra, I want first. So do the same thing, click on refactor, then do refactor. Here com is there, then technology is there, then first is there, then demo. Okay. Now just do the clean project, click on build, clean project. Now see, the package name is changed, com.technology.first.demo app. Now let us, after cleaning the project, now let us run the application one more time. Now see, you got the output. See, you got the output. So if you got the successful output, that means the package name step has been completed successfully. Now you can check the different files. See, the package name has been changed, com.technology.first. This is not this application name. These are the folders. Packages are nothing but folders for other packages or classes or interfaces. So everywhere you will get the change the package name. In Gradle file also you will get the package name, change the package name. So this is the simple step for changing the package name of your application. So this is useful while uploading or deploying the Android application on Google Play Store, because your package name is unique. It should be unique. Because of this package name, your Android application will be uniquely identified by Google Play Store. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming in My Way.